Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing fine. So, this is an introductory video where I will tell you which book you have to study for your logic and philosophy subject. As you can see in this video, this is the book that is prescribed by AHSEC, that is Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, for your HS second year. It is called Logic and Philosophy textbook for HS second year. Okay, this is the cover of the book. You please collect this book from market, or you can also collect it from your seniors or anyone else, because this is your textbook and this is the book you have to follow for logic and philosophy. I'll show you the content of the book that will give you an idea of the syllabus. So these are the topics that you have to study this year in logic and philosophy. Okay, you can see unit 1 is nature of inductive inquiry, various kinds of induction. The notes of unit 1 has already been shared with you in the group. I hope all of you are taking down the notes in your copies. If you have not, please take it down, because from these notes only the question answers will come in the final exam. All the question answers are given. You please note it down in your logic and philosophy copy, and you please try to collect this book from whatever source possible, so that we can continue discussions of these topics one by one. Now, for your convenience, along with this video, I will share a PDF of the first unit, PDF of the first unit of this book. Okay, this content, because I don't think all of you have this book yet, so I will share a PDF file of the pages of this book containing unit 1, and after that subsequently more videos will be given wherein the topics will be discussed. Okay, so I hope all of you try to collect the book, and those who cannot, I will be sharing the PDF. You please download that PDF, and from next week onwards more videos will be given where all these topics will be discussed. We will start with the relation between induction and deduction. As you can see, this is the first topic of your unit 1. We will start with that. The explanations will be in both English and Bengali, so don't worry about it. For the time being, you just note down all the notes that are given in your respective copy and try to collect this book. Otherwise, you please download the PDF of this unit 1 that I will be sharing now in the group. Hope all of you are doing fine. Stay home, stay safe, and keep studying.